Hello, hello, my lovelies. Representing Victoria Cooper's YouTube channel. We're going to talk about something really exclusive today, a Harley Davidson 1965. And you can never go down on equipment, so you need safety first, helmet, gloves, a leather jacket. And so let's introduce you to my Harley Davidson topper all the way from Philadelphia, where I bought it and imported right over to Spain. So let's have a look at this, okay? Victoria, hit me the keys.
That was good. Chung 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 chung.
Here we are, okay? Maybe it's not super necessary with all this clothes, but let's see what it is.
What is this?
This is a 1965 topper, and it's pretty unique. It's 165 cubics, and it's produced in a very limited year from 62, 63, 64, 65, and it's a scooter, and it's very rare.
She is absolutely beautiful.
She is.
So when you got her, I saw you sent me pictures and she was in pieces.
Yes.
Now, my followers will remember you from your Mondial story, and you did the same with the car. So is this a habit that you have of dismantling things and putting them back together again?
You can say that. In a way, instead of sitting in front of Netflix and just wasting time on that, this is my way of spending my time, and maybe my way of relaxing a little bit.
So, why?
Why?
Why
Okay.
does one end up with this contraption?
Because I went on a holiday in the States, and my wife said really clearly, no more cars, no more toys, just don't go over the top, okay? So she forgot to say about going into a museum in the States and buy a one-off Harley Davidson. So I got this, and I thought it's a great toy and a souvenir to bring back. But now I've done my part on it. I took it apart and put it back together again, because this is where I find it funny. And
Did you just pop it in your suitcase though, or how did you get it back?
yeah, more or less.
Dismantle it, just put it in my suitcase, carry on luggage.
No, I got it shipped from Philadelphia to California, from there to Denmark, and where I paid the importation tax on it, and then I went and picked it up in my van and drove it to Spain, as you do.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
It was logistics, and it just turned out handy that way. I know it sounds
But it's
crazy.
very you though. It's very you
it's
thing. to
very
have.
me. My van was anyway in Denmark of another reason, and then I drove it down here and took it apart, and I just love it. Why not?
Of course, why not? Do you use the bike much?
No, 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 no.
Really?
I don't. I would like to bring it to shows in Palacio de Congreso
Yeah.
in Malaga.
Where they do the classic car and classic bikes?
Yes, I would love to do that. I would like to bring it to a Harley Davidson reunion here in Spain.
So was this bike actually made by Harley Davidson?
Yes, it's a
I didn't even know they made any type of scooters.
no. They're starting to do electric again. They're pretty cool, very expensive. They made
Electric? I'm not ready for electric.
No, it doesn't sound the same.
No.
Anyway, this doesn't sound good at all. It sounds like a lawnmower. It's actually an Italian engine in it, two-stroke, 165 cc, and so it's pretty basic.
And did you have to do a lot to her, or was she already in pretty good condition? Like, have you painted her?
She actually won the gold medal of best scooter in show in 2008.
Damn. Can we see how she starts?
Let's do that.
Can we see?
Yeah.
So you've now taken off all of your protective wear. I don't think it's much needed at the moment,
No need.
but I would love to see how we get her started.
Let's do it, okay?
Because it looks like, and then you mentioned it a minute ago, lawnmower. So
Let's see it.
let's see why. beautiful. Well, I wasn't expecting this today when you said, pop over, let me show you my latest toy.
My latest toy. Yeah.
I didn't know what to expect, but
No.
she is absolutely beautiful. What are you going to do with her? Is it something that you keep? Is it going to be in the garage next to the Ferrari, or?
I feel my job is done with this. I would like to move on with other toys. So
Okay.
this is actually on the market. My Ferrari is like a child to me. It means so much to me, and I can't get rid of that. This here is just been a fun fun project, and I love to have taken it apart and put it back together. Find the right part. The speedometer took a year to find. It's got an original outer box from the States from a
collector yeah.
who had it in a box, and I just love to find the parts and put it back together again.
Like a little jigsaw.
Very much so.
What can we expect next from you? What's gonna join the the garage next time? Will it be another bike? Will it be another car?
Time will show. It's all about opportunities and kind of what I feel. This I didn't see this coming at all. I just fell in love with it,
and I see why. I completely understand why. Well, thank you so much for sharing once again your story with us and your new toy.
Yeah, you'll see me in shows and around.
Yes, we will. I look forward to hearing about the progression, and if you do end up going to shows and whatnot with her. And if any of you guys are interested, hit me up because she's for sale. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.